it going to be under the car or in the hood?
I don't know.
In the back seat. Okay.
You're gonna have to plug the fuel line with your thumb.
All right. Where's it at? Right here.
Well, it has 3 pounds. When I pop the hood there, it's 0.
That.
Actually, no. Probably be smarter. I'm gonna take it off of here. Actually, that's not gonna be easy. Fuck. It's gonna train me. You're gonna have to palm it, this fitting.
Yeah.
I'm gonna work as fast as I can.
What do you want me to do? You want me to put my palm over the line?
You're gonna have to plug it.
This right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't put a shut off on it. I'm gonna do that.
Okay. Which one is separating first?
This one.
This one?
And then
Okay.
I'm gonna,
Alright.
I'll crack the fuel line right now. Fuel filter right here.
Yeah, do it fast.
I know.
And you're gonna take this out, the fuel filter?
There's a screen in there or something.
Okay.
This is just a pre-filter. Gosh damn it. How do they do this to me? Alright. Fuck.
Do it
Get out of the way.
quick. Do
Get
it.
out of the way.
Do it.
Got it?
No.
Palm it.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm gonna work quick. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Is it still leaking, dude?
Yep, it's plumb full.
It's leaking full.
I know, it's alright. As long as you slow it slow. It was plumb fucking full of shit.
Alright. It was dripping on my arm, so you're good.
I know, I apologize.
Alright. Just work fast, you're good, don't talk.
I have plenty of water.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash my arm.
That's alright.
You're good, just work.
Alright.
Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, go.
Put it up.
I don't have it, dude. Go. Do it. I gotta get out of here. My arm is burning.
I apologize.
You're good.
This is what fucking hot rodding is.
Oh my god, dude, my arm is burning.
That was the problem.
I'm gonna have to go home.
That's alright. Let's do that. Alright? Let's go fucking. Here, I got water.
Oh my god, that's bad.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
Here, I got water.